there's a skunk on the road. There he goes. Hopefully I don't run into him later. I don't know how well you can see me. It's dark. We're almost there. Another 5 or so kilometers. This is all I can see. I wish I had my light bar from my car. But there's no point because the car wants one too, right? I'm gonna have to save up some money and buy myself a light bar for the van. So I made it to the campsite. I got the site I wanted. Awesome. We'll see you guys in the morning because it's dark out. Enjoy a little bit of fire. We've got a time lapse going. Enjoy a little bit of the stars. We'll see you guys in the morning. And good morning, guys. Welcome back. We finally made it to Sugar Lake, and we are at one of my favorite locations other than number 4, which is over there. Somewhere around, nope, over there. And then number 3 is over there. That's where we're camping over there with the kids. Number 2 is way over there. Cherryville's that way. Number 9, I believe, is behind that mountain. Well, which is also an island. That right there is an island, and there's another island behind it. That island over there has got some abandoned buildings on it from a homestead from before this lake was flooded. But anyways, number 9 is over there. Sugar Creek is just down the road. They changed the names of this from A, B to 1 and 2. So now it's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is where we used to camp, which is used to be like 4 or 5 or something like that. So they changed it. Anyways, I digress. We made it. I've got everything set up. Got my solar panels sticking out. They're collecting a lot of power. Yeah, so we're already at 98%. So this is a little overkill. But I figured I'd get it all set up, ready to go. Because tonight I can pull the laptop out, do some video editing, and tomorrow it'll recharge, not a problem. Won't have to worry about electricity for a while. I've even got the 200 watts of the solar on top of the roof hooked up to the Renogy, charging that battery, which is charging the Jackery through this little cigarette lighter out jack. Ooh, that's warm. Let's put that in the shade. So that's almost fully charged, 77%. Awesome. It says it's 57%, but that's a lie because this battery's pretty well full other than charging the Jackery. So the Jackery's pulling the power from the battery to charge it, and the solar controller is charging the battery. So that'll be useful when my batteries are dead from my motor. Gotta have a Canadian flag. Camping ain't the same without showing a little patriotism. I forgot to put it up last time I was here, though. I mean, like, when we were over at 3 Mile. Forgot to set up my... It was in the van. It was ready to go. And I did have my flagpole. I just don't know why I didn't put it up. But this time, I didn't forget. And this time, I put it up. Alright. I'm going to split some wood. Man, that fan is sure loud. But it does move a lot of air. Keeps the van nice and cool, which is nice. But I think I'm gonna help get the van into the shade. I'm gonna set up a tarp over top of the picnic table. That way it'll keep this nice and cool for a little while longer and have the sun not beating on parts of the van because it is hot. And we're gonna be here for a few weeks, so it's not gonna be too much trouble to set up a tarp once and take it down once. So let's do that. But first, I swapped into some shorts because I'm gonna go take a dip in the water. Whew. I am sweating, but I think I've got mostly everything set up, ready to go. I think there's just a few more things, maybe set up the bathtub a little bit later. But we're gonna enjoy the lake. Wow, I got the tarp up. It's awesome. Should keep the sun in the shade a little bit, so that's gonna be a little bit of a bonus. And I was just looking at my solar, and we've been fully charged since about 2 p.m. If you can see that, there you go, 2 p.m. Don't mind my mess. I haven't made my bed or anything, but I got a sheet on my bed instead of a blanket. Before I was just using a blanket. I found a sheet that fits. I'm gonna have to order another 1 or 2 sheets because I don't like the white sheets. I like black or something. That way if you go into bed dirty, it doesn't look near as dirty. Because if I touch that with black hands, instantly turns black. And I don't have an extra one. It's gonna last me a couple weeks before I can go do laundry. So I'll probably have to order another one of those. But yeah, this solar has been incredible. Tonight I'll be able to do a bunch of video editing, get that video uploaded for you guys, upload it. I have been running Starlink all day. Haven't had to worry about power. So it'd be nice to get a little air conditioner, one of those 2300 BTU ones, because you can literally use the solar panels to charge them. So I could literally pull out the other 2 solar panels to charge my air conditioner and still have tons of power to run my laptop, TV, monitor, charge my phones, charge everything, including the Jackery. The Jackery's fully charged. I went through, was doing some cleaning, got everything all nice and tidy, organized. Just got a few more things, probably go through my cupboards, get them all organized as well. You know, doing the random things. Check this out. I pretty much got my boat all set up. Got my gas motor in there in case it gets windy. And I've got 2 fully charged deep cycle batteries for my electric motor so that I can go trolling and fly fishing. And yeah, I'm pretty much ready to go. I just got to get my fly rod and my fishing pole ready to go. We're good to go. I already took this out for a little quick spin. Seems to be running good. Got my boat set up. Got everything set up. Got my anchor in there. Got my new net. That thing floats. So that'll make doing the suction, you know, checking out what they're eating by pulling out their stomach contents. I'll be able to do it much easier with a floating net. I just got to mount my fish finder and then I'll go fishing. But I got dinner thawing out. I got a steak ready to go. But right now I'm just doing up a little load of dishes. Yeah, pretty much got everything ready to go. I also went through and cut all my windows. So now they're perfectly lined up. Well, I did the best I could. So they're not quite perfect. Like I should have done a little bit better here, but it's not too bad. I'm pretty happy with it. But you can't see through there. You can see out very nicely, but you can't see in unless you go right up close and then you can see through. It's literally a mirror. It's amazing. Looks great. Yeah, that's gonna be it for now. And when I'm done cooking dinner, I'm gonna go for a little boat ride, go fishing, catch something, maybe. I don't know, maybe not, who knows. But yeah, I think that's it for now. Busy running around doing a bunch of stuff. Got some lights mounted for some special effects at night. We'll see how it looks. I think it'll look pretty cool. It's just, I can't believe it's almost 7 o'clock already. Yeah, I should be in the boat ready to go, because as soon as 5:30, 6 o'clock rolls around, usually the fish start biting a little bit, especially this late for the summer. So yeah, I'm running a little bit late, but tomorrow I won't have that problem because my entire campsite is 100% set up and ready to go for off-grid living for 2 weeks. Totally forgot about the freezer. I was gonna make a video about the freezer. This is a brand spanking new freezer. I've only had it maybe 2 weeks now. Oh, time to flip the steak. Okay, I haven't talked about the freezer at all, but it's brand new. The other one failed, and I got this one on warranty. I'll prove it to you. No stickers, not a single sticker. The other one is just littered with stickers, and I totally completely forgot to make a video about it. So here's my little update. I got a new freezer. It's plugged in, it's working. The other one failed. I don't know what happened to it, but I think the compressor just lost all its compression, lost all its refrigerant or whatever, so it's gone. It's done for. I'm gonna eat my dinner. I'm gonna head out, go fishing. We'll see you guys when I get back. Well, no fish tonight, but that's alright. Got my camp set up. I can go fishing tomorrow. Hopefully we'll actually get a few bites because we can go early in the morning. Alright guys, that's going to be it for tonight. I'm going to start a fire in a little bit. But we'll see you guys tomorrow. Maybe the next day. We'll see. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Maybe I should do a review on something that I have. I don't know. The solar panels. Solar panels were great. I don't know what to complain about. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.